Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Outstanding car, guys. Bought this car from a husband and wife. They actually bought it from an older man, said he was in his 70s. He restored this car 10 years ago. Did a beautiful job. It's had a body-up restoration. They said there's about, I'm going to say, they said he only put about 800 or 900 miles on the car when they bought it, and then he said that they put a couple thousand miles on it. But beautiful car, factory color combination. This is called golden brown. It's beautiful. It's a metallic. It just pops on the car. Matching numbers 350, automatic, air blows ice cold. Matter of fact, a buddy of mine, Scott, he and I drove this car all weekend at a show, so I probably put 100 miles on this car, and I'll tell you, air blows cold, everything on it seemed to work. I mean, just a super, super nice car. Other than a couple little things, little blemishes on it, not a whole lot to really nitpick. Replace the bumpers. You can see that grill's in great shape. Those are very hard to come by if you're a Monte Carlo guy. Slick, slick paint, guys. Pretty color. No, you can open the hood, Dale.
It's just inside, is it?
No, it's out front. Factory vinyl top, which is in great shape. I believe it's got all the original glass except for the front windshield. That color is pretty, man. Chrome and stainless, real nice, and like I say, just a great driver. Had it on the expressway at 80 miles an hour. Car hits the road great, nice and straight down the sides. I believe it's got all the original panels. It's got the factory correct 15 by 7 inch rally wheels on it. Brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Right out in front of the bumper, Dale. Right underneath the bumper. That's a nice car, man. Slick, slick car. Disc brakes. Dual chrome mirrors. You got to open the doors and the deck lid. Matching numbers 350, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power disc brakes and air. Yes, the air blows cold. It was 90 something degrees down there, so we had it on. .350 trans. And like I say, it seems like everything on the car works. I like the color, man. I think this color is beautiful. Again, dual chrome mirrors. This is actually a factory remote mirror. I think the door handles are original. A lot of this interior actually might be original, guys. Door skins are nice and clean. Definitely got the original sill plates. Now it looks like the carpet's new. Look how nice those door jambs are. Factory bench seat. It's got all the seat belts, correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Factory tach engaged car, showing 19,000. I'm sure that's 119. Now the gentleman I just bought just put that radio in there. It's got an aftermarket radio, but he said the original radio worked. It's got the AM with the 8-track, but he said he unhooked it when he put the new one in there. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end, stock gear like 331, nothing crazy. Look how nice those jambs are. Original numbers still there on your quarters. Trunk's all spackle painted like it should be. Good looking car, man. Nice and clean underneath. Again, got some pictures of the bottom for you. This is just a nice car, guys. You're looking for a nice driver, I think you're gonna love this car. I just sold a blue one here not too long ago. Same kind of quality, just good cars. Then start up there. There's just not a whole lot to pick at on the car, guys. Really nice. Like I say, I had it on the expressway. It gets the road good. Clip your air on, Bill. Clip your air on. Road's going. Go ahead and turn it back on. Good quality car right there. Pretty color. Tach works, all the gauges worked. Hit your brakes, yep. Put in reverse now. Back up lights. Give a little rev. Great sound. Like I say, that's just a nice car. Radio works. Yeah, that one down there. It works. Blower motor, all that stuff works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video.